One more time, bro.
You-
Bro, that's too fun, bro.
What's why you're talking to him as he's a magician, Ra?
Bro, jump. Bro, we are going 135 kilometers per hour. Wow.
Oh, we
Bro,
crashed, Ra.
mine
I
screen is
don't know.
hanged, bro. Is it stop or we are still moving? That it's so fast that I can't even see it's moving. Oh, it's
I
not
don't know.
moving.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
It's not moving.
Moving so fast, my screen hanged.
I think he is transporting us to somewhere.
Bring up voice
Bro,
chat.
what are we doing, bro?
I don't know.
Bro, you
He will
Indian?
he will take care of everything, bro.
What does
What?
Tonjiro mean, bro?
I have no idea what's happening, Macha, but I'm freaking out actually, you know.
I think he's
I
a
am also
Korean
freaking
hacker.
out, bro.
Should I throw some
Bro,
fly?
in
Oh,
Hindi,
we are
what
flying.
the hell?
What the
Dude,
fuck?
What the hell? What the hell? I've never
Bro,
seen this in my life, bro.
get out of the car. Get out of the car.
where
Bro,
did we
change
go?
bro. Where are we right now? Okay, we're in the same place. Okay, I thought this is a new.
I
Hey,
also
there's
thought it
this
was
one over
new.
there, Ra.
Let's go
Marked
get
a
the.
vehicle.
Bro, we have a new vehicle over there.
Marked a location.
Come on, hacker.
We'll
Let's
ask
go
him
get
to.
it. Please
What the
fly
hell,
that
bro?
again, bro. Come,
Marked
let's
a
go.
location.
Bro, it's so cool, man.
Bro, I think
How do
at
we
this
hack,
point
bro?
we'll get
Bro,
reported,
how
bro.
is he running
On my
so
way.
fast?
What
He
the
is
fuck?
like
What
Flash.
the hell, bro?
Bro, he's
What
Flash.
the heck?
Hey, ask
Flash
him to
is
come
here.
on voice chat, man.
Bro, add this
Bring
guy.
up
I want
voice
to make
chat.
him friends, bro. I want to win every
No, no,
single
ask him to
time.
come on voice chat. Come on. All of us ask him to come
Bring
on
up
voice
Get in,
chat.
voice
get in,
chat.
get
Bro,
in.
come on, voice chat, man. Bro,
He's
bro,
not
bro,
talking,
bro.
man.
I think we are teleported, bro. We're being teleported. Bro, make this car run at 250 kilometer, bro. Go fast, bro. Go full speed, bro, please.
Launch control activating.
Dude, it's
Bro,
increasing,
your
it's
Oh,
nickname is
increasing, going.
Genie.
oh, fuck. 130,
Are we going
140,
fast?
150. 150, we are 150. Oh, fuck.
We are actually
Yeah,
going
bro.
fast, dude.
Yeah, we are going fast, man.
Is it?
Let's go to Pochinki
I
and
don't know,
kill
bro.
every son of a bitch.
Bro, make the car fly, and we are. I don't know what to say now.
He can make the car jump, not fly.
I
He
mean,
can make.
whatever he did, man. I mean, like, whoa.
The hell, bro.
He's
Watch
giving
out.
accelerator. Boom, boom, boom. Bro, enemies there.
Who?
He's, he's telling us to watch out. So enemies, most probably enemies.
Okay,
Marked a
okay.
location.
Hello, or don't rush, okay?
Watch
Yeah,
out.
yeah, whatever happens, we stay as a family.
Dominic Toretto.
What the hell?
Oh,
What the hell?
shit.
Who's
That
shooting,
was me,
man?
that was... No, that was not me.
Damn it. I was happy that Azad took the blame for a second.
Bro,
Marked a
enemy.
location.
he started killing again, man. I'm just gonna see what he's going to do.
Don't get killed, side.
Why not coming, bro?
No, we're just seeing where we are.
Yeah, let's see.
Where are you?
Prem, we will
Huh?
stay together. Wait. Let's
Yeah,
see
I'm
where
here.
are the
Where
enemies
is.
then.
Hey, no, man, the Sahel fellow will get. Oh, no.
Robo,
Bro,
Macha, we have to go save him.
Revive him.
Let's go.
I'm going, bro.
I'm also going. Come on, let's go. Ah, you son of a bitch. Got
You
him.
killed?
Yeah, I killed him.
No, no.
You revive him.
Bro, wait, bro.
I'm reviving.
Okay.
Someone revive him, man.
Like everyone
Bro,
becomes his
he's like the
fan.
main character in the movie, bro. We can let him
It's
die
almost
right
like
now. I want to play.
we became fans now.
Yeah, man. I've never seen a car fly, bro.
Marked a location.
Hey, but he somehow escaped from killing that guy could have killed him actually. Tajas, did you see? I mean, Sahil, did you see that?
I think.
Bro, are you overthinking now? I'm thinking you are overthinking. What if that other guy was also a hacker, bro?
No, I mean, it was like this guy. That guy could have actually killed him easily,
Yeah, he could have. I have.
but he
Bro,
didn't.
can you
He
clear
was
it?
not.
Bro, can you
Maybe
clear our
he-
doubts?
Maybe he disappeared from the enemy.
He put invisibility. Lag. Okay, he's saying lag.
Oh,
Lag.
lag.
Marked a
Bro.
location.
Bro, Indian?
Marked a location.
Yeah,
Yes or no, bro?
He's marking some location. Should we go there? Yeah,
Hey, Indian only man. Sahil, speak Hindi.
भाई कहाँ से हो भाई? स्टेट भाई, इसको एनिमी दिखता है ब्रो, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है। ऐसा होता है क्या भाई, हाँ या ना?
He's not responding, is he?
आई डोंट थिंक ही
Dude, look at
अंडरस्टैंड
the.
हिंदी
I don't
ब्रो।
know if he did it or something. Look at the crates over here.
Marked a location.
He marked the
There was like a
location bro,
mass.
but where bro?
Here, the same house, same house. Hey, Sahil, ask him for all of us
What?
to have AWM. Let's see what happens.
हेलो हेलो
Yo, lol. Bro is हाँ भाई बोलो। भाई कहाँ से हो यार?
भाई महाराष्ट्र से।
भाई हैक कैसे करते हैं यार? भाई हैक कैसे करते हैं?
कोई ना भाई,
भाई एनिमी एनिमी देख लिया, पड़ा मेरे पटाखा।
ये तो किधर है?
Watch out.
इस वाले पे है।
बच गया भाई। भाई फिर हैक कैसे करते हैं यार?
कोई ना, थोड़ी कोडिंग कोडिंग से आता है।
भाई मेरा तो CSC था भाई, मेरे को तो नहीं आता भाई।
Oh shit, someone's nearby. Okay.
नाइस।
Sahil, what's he saying?
Bro, you need to learn coding for hacking, but I am
That is
telling that
true.
I am from CSC only, but I don't know coding.
You had to study.
God knows
even-
what you were doing in SRM, man.
Bro, I was
Bro, he was
the same thing that I'm doing here, bro.
Sahil. Near
Ayyo.
SRM, there are some flat, right? Some flats are there, right?
Estancia,
Yeah,
Estancia.
aboard, bro.
Yeah. Were you staying in that one?
Yeah, aboard, bro.
Yeah.
Aboard or Estancia?
There was
Aboard,
a
bro. Both of them near only.
yeah.
Hmm?
Sahil, there was a Golf there, na? A modified one, Golf, a black one. Do you know?
What? Are we
Not
talking about
Golf.
the game on the plate, bro?
Car, Polo, Volkswagen Polo, modified one, Black Hawk, something like that is.
Watch out.
Bro, there were too many cars, bro. Why? How would I
Okay.
remember?
There are many rich fucks over
Watch
there
out.
actually.
Enemies ahead.
Bro, people used to buy BMWs by faking admissions of the people, bro. I know one or two guys like that.
I mean-
I was there once, bro, when I was studying in second year or third year in SRM.
Dude, my
For
third girlfriend was from SRM.
For
man.
Milan or what? What the fuck? कहाँ है भाई? Where is the enemy,
Watch
bro?
out.
There.
मुझे क्यों दिख रही? And everyone can see the enemy. Oh, it's in the house, bro. I should have come from other place, man. Fuck, man.
Let's go in, man. Sahil, should we go in? Where is Sahil?
No,
Hey,
bro.
which house is market? Which house?
This one.
Watch out.
Hey, anyone have grenade?
No, bro.
Wait.
Oh, vehicle. Enemies outside.
Marked a location.
You died.
Who the fuck is with me? Acha. Okay, that's it. I thought he killed me, bro. I can see the enemy.
Mark him. Where was he, bro?
But that's Mark.
He was lying down, bro. It was only one enemy.
Enemy here, bro,
Nothing
near
to-
my house.
Bro, I knocked him out. Just come fast. He's
Where
literally
are you?
dead.
Where are you?
Come up first floor. Come first floor.
Why did he go up there?
He's literally dead, bro. I shot him.
Okay, he's dead. He's dead.
Oh man, what the fuck? I thought I'm gonna die, man. What the fuck?
Oh shit! I put the wrong weapon. Oh, that. Sahil, you got your health back.
Yeah, man. भाई कितना टाइम लगा हैक करने में यार?
He's
Number,
running like jet. He's running like he have
bro.
jet engine
Bro, he's
in
not
his
here. मेरे
ass.
को लगा साथ में खड़ा है भाई. कहाँ गया भाई?
No, he's not here.
Bro, he went
Hmm?
away. Oh, he went, bro. I thought you were standing. He was standing with
He's
me.
here, bro. He's
Let's
here.
go, Prem.
He's in
What the fuck
Pochinki.
is happening, bro?
He's
And why are
running
you
like
running other like him?
I don't know.
You like chasing
Magician.
him, but you're not able to do that.
Can you make me run like that?
One
Put
bomb
the
is enough to kill all of us now.
put the spell on us
Bro,
also,
wait.
man.
Bro, where did he go again, man? Bro, let us know where are the enemies again, man.
Hey, where is he?
I don't know,
Hey,
bro.
Machi, he
He's
went
too fast.
inside.
Yeah, let's go inside the store now.
No, he went to get the car actually.
Oh,
Bro, I want to pee.
be in the car,
There
no
should be a
problem.
bathroom in one of these houses actually.
What? I want to pee. Jump, jump, jump.
What?
Make the car
Jump,
jump.
jump.
Yeah, one more time. One more time. One more time. What is happening
Hey
now?
yo, he got
Watch
down, bro. He got
Oh,
tired
enemies
of us.
Enemies here, enemies here.
Where? I don't see it, bro.
285 in 285.
How is he able to see
You also
all
see?
this? Okay, I forgot he's a hacker.
But I don't see enemies, bro. Who killed him?
He may have killed him now.
Yeah, I think he's upstairs, bro. Sahil, don't go, don't go, don't go. I mean, okay, he can go.
What? What is going on from the right now? Where should I go?
He goes up, kills, and comes. That's all he does.
I'm just looting things, bro, but I'm not using that.
Exactly.
Man,
He's doing our
it's
job.
boring me now, bro. Bro, let me kill one enemy only. Please. Just mark the enemy first.
Hey, let's go inside the zone, man.
I think he sees the enemy again. भाई क्या हो रहा है bro?
Hey, he has put slow motion cheat. Oh, he's just walking. Okay.
Slow motion chip. I'm like, what the fuck?
No, he's walking actually. I forgot.
Slow motion chip.
Hey, Macha is going to jump, I guess. Come in, come in.
Ah, yeah, man, I'm ready.
Azhar, what are you doing?
Let's jump. Let's go.
Jump, bro.
Yeah. Can you teleport us to somewhere else?
Yeah, man, I want to go to Kamesh.
Cool.
Not Kameshki, bro. Let's go top of school.
Let's go to the island, bro.
Okay. Hey.
What the
Yeesh.
fuck, bro? Bro, this is
We are
so
in
cool.
Pochinki
We are like
only.
kids, bro. We are like adults who are kids, bro.
We are adults, but we are like, whoa. He would be thinking, what noobs we are.
Yeah, man. Bro, why don't you take a U-turn, bro? Why are we going backwards?
Bro,
That's I think
zone
that's
is
the kid.
coming.
Zone is coming.
Zone is coming.
I don't know what's going on, bro. I have no idea. What happened now? Enemy? What's going on, bro? I'm not able to
Just
understand only.
Just get into
Just
zone.
get in the
Sahil
zone.
run.
Oh shit. Sahil,
What happened?
come.
No, Sahil will come.
I don't know, bro. I thought enemies are there. That's why I was waiting. Okay. Oh, he's gonna run now. Bro, where should we run? Let us know, na, bro.
Yeah.
Where should we
Hindi.
go, bro?
Marked a location.
Mark the location. Who will mark the location?
Whoa.
I marked the location.
You saw him running.
Let's chase him, bro.
Move.
I moved Mugi, but he just, I don't know where he's going.
I have no clue, bro.
He is our key to success. So we have to wait with him only.
भाई तुम्हें एनईपी पहले दिख जाते हैं क्या क्या कुछ ऐसा है क्या?
Okay.
Bro, I think he's an introvert. He don't talk much
I can understand.
because he's a hacker. He's intelligent. That's why. Maybe.
Okay, let's see if we can raise him into the zone. Hey, Machan, Sai, just tell him we'll race you to the
Form
border
up
of the
on
zone.
me.
Okay.
He's-
Bro,
Oh,
he understands
from-
coding. He understands English also, bro.
Oh,
That's
then
more
okay.
tough.
Search for vehicles.
Hey, we are in a vehicle, bro. What
I
vehicle
think
does
this
he
way
want?
he need another vehicle. Just go with him. Drive with him.
Ah, yeah.
But why do we need another vehicle when we have a vehicle? Is fuel not there?
Bro,
They
we can
record
just
this.
run along with him, man.
I'm so enjoying it, bro. No, bro, I
Because
can't
I am
see.
driving it.
He can't see. What? Can't see.
I think
Enemies?
I think he only can see enemies.
No, bro. He's saying that he can't see enemies. Like he runs and
I
sees
can't
enemies.
see car.
I don't understand, bro.
Ha
भाई
ha.
क्या एक बार
No,
बताना
he's
यार
saying-
समझ नहीं आ रहा.
He's having something like X-ray vision maybe.
No, bro. He's running fast. He comes, sees the enemy, and
Shit.
tell us. That can be them, then. I don't think that's the.
Dude, he's suddenly
Then so he could
140
have killed
meters in
everyone
front
from
of
the
me.
starting. What?
Yeah, he is 140 meters in front of me.
Stop here. Enemies here.
When did he
Marked a
tell that, bro?
location.
Right now.
Where? Where is the enemy, bro?
He don't know. There's drop here.
Marked a location.
Oh, there, bro.
Mark
I
mark
can't
the
see.
location.
It's there.
On my way.
330, bro.
Yeah, I got the ghillie suit, boys.
Now Azhar
What
can
did
hide
he
in
do?
the forest.
Yeah, I'm doing that. I haven't even got one kill.
I got 2 kills for now.
I'm at 0.
Oh, there is a buggy there.
Hey, Macha, he's flying, Macha.
What?
He was actually floating in air.
Maybe it's because of
Or
the
it be
speed.
lag.
Where did he go, bro?
Where does he
What
see
are we
these
shooting
people?
at, bro? I'm not able to understand, bro, anything. What are we shooting at?
Marked a location.
Where the fuck do you see enemies, bro?
Macha, I'm behind
Marked
the
a
rock.
location. Marked a
Okay,
location.
done. Fuck, I
Hey,
don't
Fayaz,
see
Marked
he
him.
a
killed Fayaz,
location.
bro.
But he was a friend, bro.
He killed
Oh,
our
yeah,
HR.
you kill him, bro. Yeah, revive me, bro. Fuck.
Somebody knocked me out, bro.
എന്നാ
Hey,
He
one?
won?
What?
എന്ത്
What?
എന്ത്
What happened, bro?
En-
I didn't
എന്താണ്?
I have
understand what
no
happened
idea
right
what
now.
happened.
What happened, bro?
they just
I can't
dropped.
even figure it out. Bro, tell him we'll play one more game, last.